Have you ever wondered why garlic has been treasured across virtually every civilization for thousands of years? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of this humble but incredible ingredient that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. For centuries, garlic has been more than just a flavor enhancer. From ancient Egyptian tombs to modern medical research labs, this powerful plant has captured attention for its remarkable properties. While most of us know it as the heart of countless delicious recipes, garlic's true potential goes far beyond the kitchen. Let's break down what makes garlic truly special. While it's technically high in calories, about 100 calories per 100 grams, don't worry. You'd need to eat an entire head of garlic to reach that amount. What's really exciting is its dense nutrient profile. We're talking about complex carbohydrates and proteins that boost both physical and mental performance, essential vitamins like vitamin B, critical minerals including sodium, potassium, and magnesium, and most importantly, a powerful compound called allicin. Allicin is garlic's secret weapon, a sulfur-based compound that gives garlic both its distinctive aroma and many of its health benefits. And those benefits? They're absolutely remarkable. It fights infections so effectively that it can sometimes outperform conventional antibiotics, supports cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol and regulating blood pressure, combats inflammation throughout the body, improves blood flow and may even slow down aging, helps prevent fluid buildup in tissues. But here's something fascinating that many people don't know about. Garlic might be the natural sleep aid you've been looking for. There's an old family remedy that's been helping people sleep better for generations. It might sound unusual, but placing garlic under your pillow can actually improve your sleep quality. The sulfur compounds release a subtle aroma that has natural calming properties. While the scent might be noticeable at first, your body quickly adjusts, and the benefits are worth it. For those who aren't quite ready to put garlic under their pillow, I have a soothing bedtime drink recipe that might be more your style. Here's what you'll need. 1 glass of milk, 1 crushed garlic clove, a teaspoon of honey. The preparation is simple. Combine the garlic and milk in a saucepan and bring to a boil. Let it simmer for 3 minutes. Remove from heat and allow to cool. Stir in the honey. For best results, drink this calming mixture about 30 minutes before. Remember, while garlic is a powerful natural remedy, it's always wise to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen, especially if you have existing medical conditions or are taking medications. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit from these natural remedies. Hit subscribe our channel and learn more about nature's healing powers. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and isn't intended to replace professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment regimen.